Advanced tips and tricks for Serpstat power users. It's time to level up your marketing and SEO. In this video, you're going to discover lesser-known advanced Serpstat techniques for a competitive edge, including hidden keyword opportunities and masterful competitor analysis. Get ready to supercharge your strategies and make the most of this powerful tool. 1. Mastering Serpstat's advanced filters and segments. Utilize Serpstat's advanced filtering options to uncover hidden insights, refine your analysis, and tailor your queries for more informed decision-making. Creating custom segments and employing advanced filter combinations empowers you to conduct in-depth analysis, identify new opportunities, and optimize your strategies for business growth and success. 2. Leveraging Serpstat's API for custom integrations. Serpstat's API offers immense potential for developers and power users, enabling seamless integration of Serpstat's data into custom applications or tools. Integrating Serpstat data into existing SEO workflows revolutionizes search engine optimization, while building custom reports and dashboards using the API allows businesses to showcase key performance indicators, track progress, and gain actionable insights more effectively. 3. Uncovering competitor ad strategies with Serpstat advertising analysis. Gain a competitive edge by analyzing competitor ad campaigns and keywords with Serpstat. Uncover valuable insights on their strategies, budgets, ad positions, and ad copies to optimize your own PPC campaigns effectively. 4. Exploring Serpstat's content marketing ideation module. Utilize Serpstat's search questions and search suggestions tools to identify popular queries in your niche and generate content ideas that address user intent, driving organic traffic and engagement. Now tailor your content to provide valuable answers to user questions, cater to various formats, and meet their specific needs effectively. 5. Taking backlink analysis to the next level. The fifth trick is to identify and disavow toxic backlinks with Serpstat to maintain a healthy website. Utilize Serpstat's backlink data to uncover link building opportunities and monitor your backlink profile for improved SEO results. 6. In-depth CRP analysis with Serpstat's TreeView feature. The TreeView tool in Serpstat helps users visualize SERP dynamics by displaying domains ranking for specific keywords. Analyzing organic and paid search results provides strategic insights for effective digital marketing and SEO strategies, refining content and understanding user intent. 7. Harnessing the power of Serpstat's Rank Tracker API. Automate rank tracking tasks with Serpstat's Rank Tracker API, seamlessly integrating robust capabilities into applications, tools, or websites for up-to-date keyword rankings, saving time and effort. Scale rank monitoring for multiple projects and domains using Serpstat's centralized platform and track local and mobile rankings with the API for real-time performance insights. 8. Creating engaging reports with Serpstat's white label solution. Serpstat's white label solution allows for customized branded reports, visually presenting SEO data with charts and infographics for easy interpretation, empowering agencies to impress clients and strengthen business relationships. 9. Real-life success stories, Serpstat user case studies. Serpstat's real-world success stories showcase businesses achieving SEO success with increased organic traffic and sales. An e-commerce company improved visibility and dominated its niche with relevant keywords, while a digital marketing agency boosted client retention and acquisitions through transparent campaign progress reports and analytics.